Hi, my name is Lizzie Castellano, and I'm a 2024 Beddoe Scholar with
Adriana Jackson. I'm with the Basel Scholars Program, and I've been able to support Lizzie as her coach lead. And these are some of the members of Rights and Reach: Amanda, Justin, and Aaron.
So the inspiration behind Rights and Reach was my educational journey. In the first picture, I was a freshman in high school feeling powerless, lost, and full of despair, as I had just been diagnosed with functional neurological disorder. Because of my illness, my studies took the front force as my teachers and I were not equipped for these challenges. As I began to receive support, I came across a lot of barriers, some of which had to do with a lack of knowledge on how to support me. I would eventually advocate for myself and learn the complexities of the IEP and 504 system. This would show the picture on the right where I felt empowered, grateful, and ready to help others. Because of the actions I took, my rights became in reach, and hopefully others will too.
So today we have a couple of things that we'd like to share. We're going to talk about Rights and Reach's mission and vision. We'll talk about the stakeholder engagement and the community need that came out of it. And then we're going to talk about what Rights and Reach is doing this year and the intended impact of next year.
So our mission is to provide educators with free and accessible resources to support students with disabilities, with individualized educational plans, as well as to identify students with needs such as 504s and IEPs. Our vision is that Rights and Reach is an inclusive group of students, as well as the needs and rights of students and 504s are there. On the logo to the left, we have an emblem with blue and green, which signifies significant is open-mindedness and peace, as well as the open hands and the different shades of melanin, which show the diversity that our team is. So as far as data and community engagement, we have 39.1% of teachers that feel unequipped to teach students with 504s and IEPs, as well as challenges of getting buy-in from people without disabilities, lack of resources, and support needed to start a project that's original like this. Finding the right method of communication was also a difficulty that we had. Some of the successes that we have had include, despite having a narrow people of interest, a lot of people who were interested really were invested in the project.
As Lizzie mentioned, there are data points that are quantitative, but we also wanted to highlight the qualitative piece that emphasizes the need. So there are two quotes on the screen, one from an educator in the Cobb County District, and then one from a parent. And the things that we want to really identify and highlight for you all is that folks are saying that there's no training available to educators. They feel like they don't know about the IEP and the 504 systems. Adults and parents feel nervous or scared. They don't know how to advocate for their students in the classroom, and they say that the process is daunting. And so these two quotes specifically emphasize the need to actually bring those resources into the schools and into the classrooms to create more empowered teachers, to support the parents to advocate for their students' rights, and ultimately support students in and out of the classroom.
So our partners include the Cobb County School District, my school district, as well as the Children's Healthcare of Atlanta Zalek Behavior and Mental Health Clinic, which is providing medical professionals to help us with educating teachers on the importance of empowering students with 504s and IEPs, as well as experts from the Learning Disabilities Association of Georgia.
And so when we talk about Rights and Reach, there are two things that this project is hoping to accomplish. The first is creating a platform for those resources to be accessed. And so Lizzie and team have created an actual website, which is a screenshot below. And this is where all of these resources related to getting an IEP, getting evaluated, accessing 504 accommodations will be for her school and the district. And then the other piece of this project is actually creating a professional development day for the educators in her school. So during teacher prep time, Lizzie and team will connect nonprofit professionals as well as healthcare professionals to teachers while they're at school to really equip them with the skills and the knowledge to be able to advocate, to ask questions that they haven't been able to find resources for. And ultimately, what we hope will happen is that teachers can identify students, can best advocate for them and support them. And hopefully this professional learning development day will continue to exist for years to come in their professional development training.
So the future of Rights and Reach, we would like to have a countywide professional development day as well as expand to other metro Atlanta districts and everywhere outside of Georgia. Providing advocates and pro bono lawyers for students and families in need of assistance. And for impact measurement, we'd like to conduct pre and post surveys to measure the amount of growth and perception of knowledge that teachers have gained through the website and professional development day.
With
Thank
that,
you.
thank you.